Welcome to another one of my little nub videos. I'm Brian with Cigars and Pairings, and today we're going to go over what to do if you encounter this, an uneven burn in your cigar. How to correct a run. Any cigar smoker knows that as you smoke cigars, you're going to come across a cigar that has an uneven burn. Even the best cigars, you buy a box of them, one or two of them in the box might have a problem. And that generally has something to do with the veins in the leaf itself and how they actually form or how big the veins are. But if you do get a run, what you don't want to do is take your lighter and start playing all over the cigar with it. I find that a very underrated technique is to just set the cigar down and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Generally, the cigar can correct itself. If it's a good cigar, if it's been rolled well, if it's a quality cigar, it will sometimes self-correct automatically. You've just got to stop puffing on it so much. So set the cigar down, take a break, give the cigar, let it almost go out, you know. A good cigar will stay lit for a long time as well. So if you try that and it doesn't work and you find that it's getting worse, what you can do is take the lighter and gently fold it next to the leaf. You don't really want to touch, you don't want to be straight on. If you do want to get an above shot, you want to be well above the flame. You're just trying to introduce enough heat to bring whatever heat is inside. There's usually a little bit of a cherry going inside the middle. So what you want to do is to just introduce enough heat outside that other heat of the cherry starts rolling back towards the end. And then once you catch a part of the leaf that is sticking out further, once that's going, just sit back and let it do its thing. Let it slowly, you don't want to puff away. It's going to ruin the taste of the cigar. That's what you don't want to do. So once you light it up and you get a little piece of it going, set it down, it'll do its thing, it'll automatically, and then you can pick it back up and get it going again. So as you can see, the burn has started to slightly even out, but it is burning all the way across the leaf still. And so just take your time with it. And eventually it's going to work itself out. You're not going to have too much tunneling or running anymore. So go easy with the cigar, relax, bring it back a little bit, because when you rush with it, that's probably the #1 cause, I believe, of runs in cigars, is you're going to town on that thing. So sit back and relax and enjoy the flavor and give it a little bit of downtime in between puffs. I'm Brian with Cigars and Pairings. If you like this video, check out some of my other videos and full reviews, and enjoy your smokes. Thank you.